Hi everyone, Rod Bonham here from the Bora product team. Need a flexible workspace? Need to move that heavy molder, bandsaw, or planer to make room for another project or machining operation? The PM-2500 Universal Mobile Base does all of that. Included in the kit are 4 steel corner brackets, rubberized non-marking wheels, and all the hardware to get you started. The adjustable rail system allows you to expand or contract the base in 1-inch increments, allowing you to accommodate objects from 12 by 12 inches square up to 36 by 36 inches square. A 20 by 52 inch rectangle with the standard setup is also achievable. The low profile design of the base only raises the machine 1 inch off the ground when stationary. If you need a little more room, you can buy an additional rail kit, the BK1218, which is sold separately, to give you options for larger or odd shaped items. To activate your base, use the steel foot levers that are mounted to the swivel casters to raise and lower your machine. Uneven floors are overcome, no problem. Simply adjust the leveling feet and you're ready to get to work. The Bora lifting mechanism does the heavy work for you and lets you support up to 650 pounds. That's perfect for bandsaws, jointers, molders, planers, and everything in between. Bora Tool is the leader in workshop mobility, and we build category-leading features into our entire mobile base lineup. Our mobile bases are trusted by shop enthusiasts all over the world, and the PM-2500 is no exception. We offer steel foot levers, adjustable and expandable rail systems, leveling feet, and quality casters for a smooth ride. The PM-2500 is a logical addition to your product mix. Give your customers the freedom they need to create flexibility in their workshop with mobility solutions from Bora Tool.